Hello, hi, and good morning. So this is a short video that I'm going to record, and in this video, I'm going to give you a quick tour of the Electoral Violence Monitoring Education and Reporting platform. So this is the URL to get to the Electoral Violence Monitoring Education and Reporting System. So to get there, you type https colon EVMER dot WSRSL dot org and you press enter. So if you are on your computer, when you get to this URL, this is the first thing you will see. And when you see this, look at the right here, you have this black bar right here. On top, you have the map. This is the map view. And then you have data. This is the data view. When you click on data, you are going to see all of the incident reports that have been published for the public to see. Right now, we have only 2 incident reports. And if I click on activity, here you can see an activity, basically graphs. So you can look at the activities over time. You can look at the activities for this week only. You can look at the activities for this month only. You can look at the activities for a specific date range. And what are the activities that you can see? You can click on category activities. You can look at survey activities. You can look at status activities. And if you scroll down here, you can do surveys again to see what type of surveys. We have only 2 surveys. In this case, right now, you're only seeing incident reports, and you can see that we have only 1. And then the status, you can see that we have only published status, right? So activity on the right, on the left, data at the left, and then map at the left. If you click on collections, you can create a collection to just help you group things together. Now, as a public user, when you visit the platform for the first time, you will automatically be directed on the map view. And looking at the map view, if you click on any one of these dots, this will show you the incident that was reported at that specific location. And if you click on the incident title, then you will get back to the data view of that incident where you can view all the different details of that incident. If you click right here, you have options to add this incident to a collection. You can create your own collection, or you can share this incident on Facebook, on Twitter, or you can even embed this incident on your own website if you want to. Now, let's say you want to add an incident. You are a public user and you notice that there is some electoral violence going on in your area and you want to report this electoral violence. To do that, you have several different methods. One method is you can call free 977. Someone is going to pick up the phone and that person will ask you some questions. While they are asking you the questions and you are answering, they will open this system up and they will type the information in. The other option is you can send an SMS message to one of these 2 phone numbers. The third option is you can submit via Facebook. So if you click here, you can open Facebook Messenger and log in with Facebook, and then you can communicate with us via Facebook. The other option is WhatsApp. If you have WhatsApp, you can open up WhatsApp again, and you can send us a message via WhatsApp. The other options is Twitter. You can tweet using one of these 3 hashtags, and once you tweet using one of these 3 hashtags, the information will pop up in this system within 5 minutes. The 6th option is you can send an email. Send an email with your report to this email address. We will receive it. And the last option here is use the web form. Since you are already on the internet, you are on the website, and you have it open, you can use the web form. So to use the web form, you can click right here, and that can open up this web form so you can fill it out. The other option is if you are back at the map, just look for this plus sign with the yellow. If you click on the plus sign with the yellow, it will take you to the incident report form where you can report an incident. So this is an example or this is the actual incident report form. So the first thing here is title. So I'm going to say, I'm going to type my title here and say, fighting at Shaka Stevens Street right now. Okay, that's what I want to type. What happened? I will say someone, uh, someone say APC and SLPP supporters clashed at the cutting tree and started fighting. This is not a good enough description, but you get the this is just an example and you get the joke. And here the electoral phase. What electoral phase? Right now this is pre-election, so you will select pre-election phase. The locality is this urban. Well, Shaka Stevens Street is urban, so you select urban. What is the district? Shaka Stevens Street is in Western area urban, so you select Western area urban. When did the incident occur? If you are right now at Shaka Stevens Street and the incident is occurring right now, you don't need to change anything here. You can leave this alone and it will just pick up the current date and the current time. And then you can select these other options here now. Pre-election incident, what is actually going on? Is it physical violence? Is it intimidation? Is it improper conduct of security agent? Is it a hate speech? So you want to select one. So for this, I'm going to select attacks on, I'm just going to say intimidation and harassment. And election day incident type, I don't need this right now because this is not election day. Post-election incident type, I don't need this because this is not post-election. Now, I need this affiliation of victims of incident. So what is the affiliation of the victim? In this case, I'm going to say it's not a voter, NEC official. So I'm just going to say voter. Gender of the voter, I'm going to say both. It's male and female. Victims of political party, I'm going to say in this case APC. And here, how many of them? I'm going to say 3. Or change APC and say I'm going to say UNPP. Affiliation of the perpetrators, I'm going to say the affiliation here could be again voters. The gender of the perpetrator here, I'm going to say again both. And the political party, now I'm going to say PDP. How many of them? I'm going to say again 4. And then here I can select different categories. In these categories, what are the victim types? I would say political party actors because they belong to some political party and they were fighting over that. That's the victim type. And the violence type, I can say not economic threat or health hostage, physical harm. If it's fighting, they probably end up with physical harm. That's the violence type. And what is the impact? The impact here could be people wounded, or people held hostage, or people killed. And then witnessed incident. Did I witness? I witnessed this incident myself. I will say yes, I was there. I witnessed this. What is the location? I'm going to say Cotton 3. I'm just going to type Cotton 3 Freetown. And I can see Cotton 3 Freetown right here. And I will select that. And if I zoom in, it picks up that location. And right there you can see it's right on the cotton tree. And now, why did the incident occur? I don't know. Has the incident caused an increase in tension? No. How have different actors responded to the incident? I don't really know, so I'm just going to leave that. Were there any warning signs? I don't know. I'm going to leave that. And since I'm on the scene, I want to take a picture, so I'm going to say add a picture, and I'm going to find a picture of the incident that I have already taken, and I'm going to upload that picture. This is not a real picture. I'm just going to take a picture of the beach and I upload this, and I can put this is a sample photo, and then I can hit submit. And now I've submitted that incident report, and you can see that I have submitted that successfully. Right now you cannot see that I have submitted it successfully because it is under review. People in the situation room have to review that incident and publish it before you can see it on the map. So right now it's not showing up on the map. So I'm going to log in. Now I'm going to log in as someone with access to log in, or as an analyst. Now I logged in as an analyst and I go back to map, or I go to data. From data, you can see the incident fighting at Shaka Stevens Street that was just submitted by someone from the public. I can see it here, and now I can click on that. And once I click on it, I can then say I want to publish this. So I can hit publish, but I'm not able to publish it because I have to do something else. I have to do some validation. So to do that validation, I have to edit this first and review this as the analyst and make sure everything is correct about this incident and everything is checked. And after checking that, I'll say I want this to be published. So I'll say task complete. I'll say I have checked this incident and field reporters and field monitors have confirmed that the incident occurred. So that's my comment, and then I'm going to change this now to publish, and then I save this. So I'm done. Now that I've saved this, if I take this, put it over here, and I refresh back my screen over here, now I'm going to see that new incident. And look at the new incident right here. So as a public person, I can see this new incident now with the picture and everything else that was loaded there. And if I go now to activity, you can see the activity has now changed. So from this date, you can see that there is a range, and something has happened. You can see that the posts are going up, and the impact type and victim type and violence type, each one of them have something now. Okay.